You mend what once was shattered, and you turn my tears to laughter. Your forgiveness is my fortress. Oh, your mercy is relentless. When caught deep in the valley, with chaos overcome me, I find my comfort here.
Family stay together.
He said, "Hi guys." Where are we going? We're going to the zoo, but we're stuck in traffic because the zoo is by downtown, so there's a lot of traffic. And Daddy's aggravated because of the traffic. Are you aggravated because of the traffic? Yeah. So that's what we're gonna do today. We're gonna have a zoo day.
I'm hungry too.
He like cut my hair. I didn't straighten it today. I just curled it. Well, not curled it. I just put gel on it, and that's the way it gets. My hair's kind of like wavy. And the girls are just hanging out watching Blue's Clues, waiting to get out of the car. Amelia, you watching Blue's Clues? No, yes you are. You're watching Blue's Clues. Can you sing the song? Sing the song Blue's Clues. Say Blue's Clues, Blue's Clues.
Thanks again for all.
No, she's dancing. You're dancing? Dance, say Blue's Clues, Blue's Clues. She's just like whatever, mom. So we're gonna look for parking, and we're just gonna be stuck in traffic for a while. So we have to chillax a little bit because it's hard to find parking around here because we're so close to the city and there's so many people. It's like everybody's fighting to go to the zoo.
I can't wait to play Blue's Clues with you again.
Where you're gonna go. You don't see them? Oh, there's one right there. Look. There they are. Oh, look, he's coming this way. Oop, they left. How's it feel? It feels cold.
What is it? What?
Touch it again. It's cold. Cool. Touch the water, mamas. Is it cold? Is it cold?
Yeah.
Oh. Let me see. Yeah, don't put your hand in there. How is it, Amelia? Is it water? Touch the water. They're gross.
That's disgusting.
Yeah, it is. That's nasty. Big old roaches. Ew. Oh yeah. Say hi, Amelia. Hi. You see the fishy, Mealy? You see the fishies? Those are big fishies. There's a lot of them just right there.
There's a hippo over there.
There's like a baby hippo somewhere in there.
Maybe on the other side. You can only see his butt over there.
Oh yeah, you see half of them there.
Dude, this is scary. Look at it.
It's not gonna do nothing. It's inside. It's not gonna do nothing.
It looks like you go inside.
Look, you could touch it. It can't do nothing. It won't do nothing to you. No. She's scared. Okay, you wanna go? Okay, let's go. Give me your hand. This is double headers. Are you climbing? You can climb to the top?
There's no door.
Down? Are you stuck? Are you gonna jump?
Monkeys are really interesting.
You gonna jump? Here's our city. See all the buildings? You wish you could see the Titanic here. Emily does not want me to hold her hand. You gonna sit down in your car? Sit down.
I want to get married there.
You could take photos there, you mean?
I'm gonna get
You don't get married there, you take photos there. Touch it, Mealy? Touch it. Touch the goat. Wanna touch it? Just the back. Okay, touch them in their backs, okay? On their backs. Go ahead. Careful. He's sleeping. He night-night. Hey, night-night. Look it. Alex is touching it. Go touch it with Alex. No? No, she doesn't want to. I didn't touch it. Just you guys did. So you guys have to wash your hands. Wash your hands. Wash your hands, Emily. Wash. You touch the goat, you have to wash your hands. Oh. That one looks like you, Alex. This one. I was zoomed in too. He does look like you. This one. There goes Gabby. There goes David. There goes Emily. Oh, Daisy's not there. She's not part of the cow family.
Emily likes to eat, I guess.
Yeah.
Emily should be the small one, not one.
He says, "Sáqueme una foto." It's like this one.
This one's like
yeah.
looking.
She's like, "Stop taking pictures of me." You guys are driving the tractor. Where are you gonna go? Where are you guys going in the tractor? Are you going to school? Say cheese, you guys. Cheese. Good job. Don't know if you guys could see, but there's bees all over. They're all over this flowers. There's so many of them. Oh, I don't think you guys could pick it up. Okay. There's a lot of bees in there. Oh my god, I never seen so many bees. Look at that, they're all over. Woo, I'm scared now. They're like all over. Don't touch them. Literally. Why would you do that?
Because I wanted it.
There's so many of them.
Ow! Bobby!
They will chase you, girl. Ew, what's that big black thing right there? That thing right there.
Where?
Right there.
Oh my god, what is that?
It's like a big old bee
That's
too.
not a bee.
It has
That
a
doesn't
butt
look
like a bee.
What is, there's one over there flying.
I'm so
Where?
scared.
Oh, there's 3 of them right there.
What are
Oh my
those?
god,
It's like a bee. Oh yeah. Can't take care of yourself. You're gonna take care of one of those.
Yeah. I'm gonna be like, hey, I'm gonna tell my boyfriend, can you buy me one of those? And when he buys me one of those, I'll be happy.
So he just scratches Where are we at?
Eating place, but I don't know what it's called.
We're at Burrito King. It's a taco place.
Taco burrito king.
Yes. We finished the zoo. The zoo was fun.
Oh.
Yes.
And now we're gonna.
Now we're gonna eat. What are we eating here?
You're
Taco.
eating tacos, and Mommy's eating burrito, and here's ours.
And you guys are having French fries and cheese fries. Emily really wants to eat right now. You really want to eat right now, Amelia? Yes? Oh, she can't wait. She had to have girl fry. So we're gonna have our dinner and then we're gonna go home. So what are you eating? What's it called? You don't know what it's called? It's a torta. And Gaby's eating the same thing. Huh? You could get some. You gotta tell Emily first because Emily was
Can I grab some?
she was attacking the cheese fries.
Well, okay.
So we're about to
Told you
eat.
to act
Who loves
sloppy.
cheese fries? Hey guys, this is the next day from our zoo trip. I forgot to end the vlog, so I'm gonna end it here. If you hear music, it's the girls. They're cleaning their bedroom for getting ready everything back for school. So they're cleaning their room and making everything organized how they like it. So that's what that is, the music, if you hear music. So I'm just gonna end the vlog here. Sorry, we had such a good time at the zoo and it was just a fun day yesterday. So we'll see you guys in our next video. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat, and Twitter. And we'll see you guys in our next video. Adios, amigos.